adventurers, welcome back to my channel. Last year, we celebrated 4th of July with a delicious American apple pie. This year, we're making another iconic American dish, the hamburger. As a global mobility and immigration expert, I'm excited to share with you the amazing story of how immigrants built America, all while we cook this classic favorite. So let's get down to it. Let's start by looking back in time. From the moment the first settlers arrived, America has been a country of immigrants. The earliest immigrants came for religious freedom, better job, different opportunities, and a new beginning. In the 17th century, English pilgrims and Puritans laid the foundation of what will become a diverse society. Over the course of the years, millions of people from around the world came to the United States. In the 19th century, many Irish and German immigrants arrived here, escaping from famine and political problems. They brought their culture, traditions, and foods with them. Like pizza was introduced by Italian immigrants and became a popular American dish. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, immigrants from Eastern Europe, Italy, and Asia arrived here. Faced challenges and also made significant contributions to American society. They built railroads, they worked in factories, they started small businesses, all of those helping the American economy grow. Immigrants have always played a big role in the American economy. From the Industrial Revolution to the tech boom in Silicon Valley, they've driven innovation and growth. Many leading companies in the US were founded or are led by immigrants or their children. The spirit of hard work and entrepreneurship is key part of the American success, and all led by immigrants. Now let's talk about the start of our video today, the hamburger. So the hamburger is a great example of the American diverse culture. Immigrants have always played a big role in the American economy. From the Industrial Revolution to the tech boom in Silicon Valley, they've driven innovation and growth. Many leading companies in the US were founded or are led by immigrants or their children. This spirit of hard work and entrepreneurship is a key part of America's success. Now, let's talk about the start of our video today is the hamburger. The hamburger is a great success of the American diverse culture. The idea of minced beef patties came from Hamburg, Germany. German immigrants brought this idea to America, where it became the hamburger we all love today. The first modern hamburger is credited to Charlie Negrin, an American of German descent who sold it at a fair in Wisconsin in 1885. Over time, it became a symbol of the American barbecue and a favorite in every 4th of July celebration. As we celebrate Independence Day, it is important to remember the diverse origins of our traditions and the people who helped shape this great nation. America truly is a melting pot, and our rich history of immigration makes us completely unique. Whether you're a recent immigrant or your family has been here for generations, our story and your story is part of the American success. So thank you for joining me in this journey through history while we cooked up this delicious hamburger, and I hope you feel a sense of pride and belonging to this great nation of ours. So let's continue to celebrate and embrace the diverse heritage that makes America very unique and very special. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you next time. Enjoy your hamburgers and have a great and fantastic Independence Day.